Today I am at number 2 Hendra Vale. It's 3-storey because the garage is along the bottom and the parking is in front of the garage. You then go up to the next floor, which has a living room and kitchen, and then 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on the top floor. And it is wonderful. It will suit first-time buyers down to the ground for their first home. You can see there's an outside space here. This is a lovely patio area to sit in, and it's in a good spot for getting back into town. It's just by the Asda garage. So give us a call and have a look at the video and book a viewing. Take care.